Good morning, James from Mac Audio, and today we are going to talk about the CM8s, CM8.4, CM8.2. In this case, it's the CM8.4, but they're virtually the same thing, just a different ohms for the amplifier depending on how you're pairing it up. So we're pairing these with another set of speakers that are 4 ohms, so we're gonna be running the amp to these speakers at 2 ohm because we're running in parallel with another set of speakers.
Okay, let's go.
I've never opened this box, so this is 100% brand new to me too. There is always your thank you from Cicada card. On the back, there's usually tips. Yeah, so it's your basics of the hooking up the speaker. We open up the box. First thing we see is some seals that help with airtight and screws. I generally, personally, use my own screws. I don't like these, but that's neither here or there. And these are very simple. So they are 500 RMS. They have a 2-inch voice coil. Sensitivity is 95.2 decibels. The frequency response, 75 to 200,000. They're gonna naturally roll off at some point. I'm not exactly sure where that is. We will find out. But a lot of people think of these as subs or the design to play bass, but they're mid bass. So they do play low into these sub frequencies, but just a tiny bit. You know, they're not designed to play down into that low end. They're really designed to project voice and give you a little bit of bass, more of a mid bass. So these speakers, I apologize, they're actually 250 watts RMS, not 5. It's 500 for the whole box, but 250 each. Max is a BS number. We got another video on that. And let's see, am I missing anything? They are water resistant. These are 8-inch. I think we've already covered that. But overall, these are great speakers. We are putting them in the lowers of a bike, but you can put them in your rear lids, lowers. You could put these inside your bags if you wanted to and play them as a mid bass. I do that with a lot of other speakers. Great, low pro, light, 8-inch speaker to give you some great sound. As always, quick like, subscribe. Any questions, hit me up below. I'm always looking for more questions to do videos on. Thanks for watching.